With the formal unveiling of the 2025 Mazda CX-80, which is anticipated to arrive in Australia by the end of the year, Mazda has added a premium large SUV to its lineup. The CX-80, which takes cues from Mazda's well-known Kodo design language, has sculpted shapes, flowing lines, and a dominating presence on the road. Extending the CX-60, the 2025 Mazda CX-80 is a remarkable vehicle with a length of nearly 5 meters and a wheelbase of more than 3 meters. As a result, it is bigger than the CX-60 but not as big as the CX-70 and CX-90, which are geared toward Americans. The CX-80's appearance differs from that of its smaller twin, the CX-60, in more ways than one. It is 9.8 inches longer and 0.9 inches taller than the CX-60, measuring 196.6 inches in length and 67.3 inches in height. It stands out from the crowd with its striking grille, elegant LED headlights, and aerodynamic silhouette, which radiate confidence and sophistication. With choices for 2 captain chairs with a central console or a traditional 3-seat rear bench, the CX-80 offers a variety of seating arrangements. In addition, the third row of seats may be folded flat to give families with larger members or those needing more cargo capacity additional flexibility.